My name is Grace, and I am going to demonstrate the diamond braid for you today. The tools you'll need is just a brush, some hair bands, and you don't have to have this, but it makes it easier, mane and tail spray and braid. So just a light mist on this. You don't want to soak her mane. Gently brush it in. We're going to start about 1.5 inches length to begin with. And you don't want to make your sections super small, otherwise you won't get as much of a diamond effect when you're done. So I like to grab a decent amount of hair. On to the next one. You want to make it as level and as even so that you get a neat look when you're done. Okay, so now you can see that the first row is done, and to go to the second row, you're going to split this section in half and keep this section whole. And you want to keep the same distance from the top of your mane to the first band and the first band to the second band. So you can kind of measure it with your finger. It's kind of 1 finger length. And again, split this section in half. And grab the rest of this section. Okay, now the second layer is almost done, and to tie up the last one, you grab the last section just like that. And I like to leave this little tuft of hair up here, just so that when they put their neck down, it doesn't rip out the braid. You can put your saddle on over it, or just leave it loose, just like that. And there, the second row is done. Okay, so we're finishing up the last row here. And I went 4 rows down, and that gives you 3 sets of diamonds. You can do only 3 rows, and if you wanted to, you could go another row down, but you do lose the diamond shape the further you go down, because there's not as much hair. Just tie this last piece together. And that's what it looks like when it's finished. And you can use this in either Western or English disciplines.